I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a test problem for you. It's a thinking and communication question. Consider y equals to x squared plus 4x plus b. Find the values of b so that the quadratic relation has only one zero. Then sketch its graph. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. We are given the equation y equals to x squared plus 4x plus b. Now to have only one x-intercept, it's very clear that it should be a perfect square. Now this equation can be a perfect square provided b value should be what? This is what we have to find. So we can write 4 as 2 times what? 2 times 2 is 4, x plus. Now this will be a perfect square if that number over here is 2 square, right? That 2, right? That is how they are related. So for a trinomial to be a perfect square, so let me write down an equation here. Let us say we have a plus b whole square, then this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So the center term is twice these two. So what we wrote here is the center term was split 2 times 2. 2 times what? And that what is b. I mean square root of b. So square of that number gives us the position value of b, right? So this value b should be equals to 4, right? So that is what it is. Now we can write this as y equals to x squared plus 4x. Now if I use b as any number, I'm always going to get a positive number here. So it will be a positive 4, right? 2 square will be 4. So that is the value, and in this case b has only one value, right? No other value. So there is just one answer. And this expression, as we have seen, can be written as x plus 2 whole square. Now for b equals to 4, we get x plus 2 whole square, and that will have only 1 0, right? So the demand for 1 0 indicates that this should be a perfect square, and that is how we get our answer. Okay, now we have to sketch x plus 2 whole square. That means our parent function x square is shifted 2 units to left, right? This is going to be 0 for x equals to minus 2. So here we know that the vertex is at x equals to minus 2 and y value of 0. So we can write down vertex is here, right? Minus 2, 0. Now steps should be a is 1, right? Therefore the steps are 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, right? So these are the steps for us to sketch our parabola, right? So that means first time when you move one step up both sides because of the symmetry, second time 3 steps up, so it'll be at 4, right? Now with that we can actually sketch our parabola. Arrows at the end indicating that it extends. So that becomes a graph of a function represented by x squared plus 4x plus b, so that this quadratic relation has only 1 0, right? Only 1 0 means perfect square. That is the key issue, right? So that is how we can find the value of b and sketch our graph. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Thank you and all the best.